Let's make Hawaiian French Toast Rolls using DivineKuizine sugar spice. We're gonna make this little mini French toast with these Hawaiian. You know, folks love a Hawaiian roll. I said, oh, this would be good with our DivineKuizine sugar spice. And you're just gonna cut them in half. Make sure you got a sharp knife, so it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like this. So we're just gonna cut them in half, like so. Now we're getting ready to go ahead and make the milk mixture with DivineKuizine sugar. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the side. I have a bowl here, and in the bowl I'm gonna do half and half in heavy cream mixed together, but you don't necessarily have to do that. You can just use either or, but I'm gonna put both together just for a little more creaminess. And I'll give you the measurements at the, when I do the recipe at DivineKuizine.com. All the full measurements will be there, so don't worry about it. So we have some whole milk, and I'm eyeballing it, but I will give you guys exact measurements. We got some heavy cream. Heavy cream in here. You don't have to put as much heavy cream as you did with the milk. We have some vanilla extract. So you're gonna put a little dash of that in here. And then we're gonna have two eggs. So I'm just gonna crack my 2 eggs. Put your other egg in here. I love recipes where I'm just dumping everything in there, where I don't have to do too much. It's not too much going on. Real easy, real simple. Now for the best ingredient of all, the DivineKuizine sugar spice. I told y'all don't be sleeping on this sugar spice. You can use it in so many ways. So we're gonna put, there was a teaspoon. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons in here of it. And then we're going to whisk everything together. Just whisk it well together, get it well, nicely combined. And now all we're gonna have to do is dip them, and we're gonna go ahead and cook them on the stove. Dunk into the egg mixture. And we're gonna put it into our frying pan. You want to try to take some of the excess off of the milk mixture. Continue to put them in the frying pan. And you're just going to let them cook until they get nice and golden brown on each side. Off my hand. It'll probably take about 3 minutes on each side. So I'm getting ready to turn it. Ooh, y'all. Nice and golden brown. They look good, y'all. Really like to try to see how it coats. It just coats a lot better when it comes right out of the pan. And if you don't want to burn your hands, you could just use tongs and just kind of go around it. But that's the best time that it's going to adhere to the sugar. Is when we put it, when we take it. for the taste. So I already kind of drizzled, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a dunk. This is simple. It's so simple. It's good. It's really good. Give me like you remember them donuts that you twist? That's what it tastes like. You don't need the syrup. The syrup, that's just overkill. I'm putting sugar spice. That's all you need. I mean, if you want the syrup, but the syrup is gonna make it real sweet. But it's, and then you already know Hawaiian rolls are kind of sweet. But it's fluffy. It's so good. All I need is some eggs and some bacon. Well, turkey bacon or something. This is sinful. Like, don't eat this if you want to diet. Because this is just, your kids is gonna really, really like this. So, now I'm going into the dip for the syrup. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. This is easy, it's a must make. You gotta make this recipe. Love y'all, Chef Shack.